In this video, I'm going to be treating the floors and getting them ready for tile. I'm going to start out by sanding the dark areas. And as you see, as I progress in this sanding, you notice that most of the blackness disappears. And that's because most of that discoloration is at the surface of the wood. It's not very deep into the wood. The wood itself is still structurally sound and doesn't really have any of that mushiness to it that you would expect from water damaged wood. And then here I'm removing the rusted nail guards to be replaced later on before I put up the new drywall. So this is a nice tongue and groove and thick subfloor. So it's going to be good for laying tile on, but it was nailed down. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding some screws to help secure the subfloor to prevent any movement underneath the tile. Now I'm going to be painting over the floor with some shellac primer, and that'll seal the wood to prevent any of the smell from coming up. It may or may not be needed, and in all likelihood there probably won't be any smells that would get through there, but this is just an added measure. It would just be a bummer to have this bathroom all done and finished and to have any musty smell coming through, you know. You want that nice, clean, newly constructed smell when you're all done. So now I got the toilet out of the way and I'm sanding the area around the toilet. There was some wood damage to the top layers around the toilet. So once I got done sanding this area, I treated it with some floor patch. Now this floor patch stuff that I got is pretty interesting stuff. It seems like it's mostly sand based, and then it has a liquidy substance around it. Yeah, and then you kind of like smear it on and get it in there, and it dries pretty hard actually. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one and take it easy.